Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Subaru Outback Premium. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2.5 four-cylinder pushing out 173 horsepower. For wheels we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. On the inside we've got a cloth gray interior. Coming around back, we've got our Subaru all-wheel drive Outback badging. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, we've got our power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. There's our media display. We've got climate control, automatic transmission, heated seats. This Subaru has 90,441 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Outback, check out feldmanimports.com.